I was looking at a weekly report from Christopher, and in there he talked about how doing QLA while having a full-time job took an awful lot of effort, and that he was thinking about how to take advantage of technology to help that. And that reminded me of two things. One, a video which I want to include here, very short, from Sylvester Stallone, who I learned has an IQ of 160. Pretty bright guy for Rocky Balboa. You wouldn't think that, but 160 IQ. And he talked about the value of time, especially as you get older. And he did it amazingly in a 1-minute video, so I'm going to include that. But Chris's comment also reminded me that we are really on point with something that we're launching, and that is a new live boot camp. It'll start soon. And in that, my marketing guy, as I refer to him, and myself are going to go through how to use some of the tools which can make you much more effective and take advantage of that technology. So I'd encourage you, if that's something you're struggling with or you want to get more productive in this, to go to brucewhipple.com/2021. So brucewhipple.com/2021, and take a look at what's offered in that boot camp and see if that would help you, and I hope it will. I'm taking advantage of that. Some of the results that mentees are getting from some of those tools are really pretty impressive, and that situation has changed a lot, especially during the COVID times. That's not to say that the QLA methodology has changed. The methodology that Dan Pena created more than 25 years ago now, back in 1993, still those steps are the steps. I've been partners with Dan for better than 25 years. I've seen that whole ride, and the results of QLA absolutely speak for themselves. But one of the things that has changed are things like LinkedIn. When Dan and I were first doing that, LinkedIn wasn't around. So there are tools that have come during that time when Dan originally created the QLA methodology that can absolutely help you and make you more efficient. So again, that's the intent of the boot camp that John and I are putting together. And again, it's brucewhipple.com/2021.
What do you think is the most valuable thing you might have in your life that you really don't pay attention to, especially when you're young, because you just feel you have an abundance of it? It's never ending. Time. And as you get older, you realize time becomes your currency. When you realize there's less runway up ahead than behind, you sometimes learn that too late. So I'm telling you people that you really have to be very, very, very stingy with your time. Don't waste it on people that aren't like-minded. Don't waste it doing things that you know are not part of your dream plan. Don't waste time being bitter, which I know I've been argumentative, and I understand the meaning of hate, because in the end, it's just waste your most valuable asset, time.